Alright guys, we're here at the Block, the Nike factory store. We're gonna go see what they have in stock today. Alright. I'm gonna go see the hash wall, see what they have. We have some Anthony Davis and LeBron James. All swingman though. Okay. Air Jordan 34s. Black on black. LeBron 17s. Everything's 30% off. These PGs. So a little expensive even after 30% off. Pass on those. So. We have these Pegasus Turbo slides. Let's see. 124. We got plenty of the Element 55s, these black and gold, and the other colorway. There's some Pegasus 36, $84.99 minus 30%. And they have plenty of the Blue Fury up-tempo 95s. All over the Lebrons. Here they have the Air Max 98s in this colorway, $109.99. We have these ACGs Cortex. Retail price still minus 30%. John Elliott and LeBron. Retail price minus 30. So you do have these Air Max 270 Rat. Hyper gray. Is that a nice colorway? And we have these Lakers here. $79.99 minus 30%. 10.5. So there's a couple of them here. Two more down below. Let's see. Denver Broncos Element 55s. Because you're a Broncos fan, you know, they got them here. 10.5 retail price minus 30%. And you have these Air Max in metallic silver. These guys. Retail price though minus 30%. Great color. I would get it if it came in my size. I would wait. These Kyrie's in a size 9.
No, that's not one, but it's
Kyrie breads. And you have these Air Jordan 34 lows. Let's see. There's a low. There it is. And right below that, we got the Giannis. Black with the silver swoosh. And yeah, these Joyrides. You see Joyride CC3. This is a nice colorway. And right above that, looks like Borough Winter. $54 minus 30%. And if you guys love the 97s, they have the 97 Golf. This is like artificial green. Tell me what you guys think about this. And they have the Blazers, Stranger Things. Retail price minus 30%. So not bad. So it's like $84 for this. Comes complete with the lid. It's a size 8. So the money size, you guys. Size 6 OBJs, 720s. Right below that, triple white Air Max 95s. Retail price minus 30%. And part of the Shoe Dog pack. Have the here. This is the Falcon. I think this is retail. Oh, it's 59 minus 30%. So $45 for this. There. This is most likely more for like personal care. If you try to resell, there's really no resell for this price. So they have the Mellow 13s. It's going for like $105 after discounts. Yeah, this other Lebron 16s. Got a full size run for that. You got Soldiers, couple Witnesses, KDs, AGs. You have these Air Force Ones. You have a full size run of them. Retail price there. Right next to it, we got the foam sights. These have been sitting at the outlets for a while now. And these Orlando's. Well, up tempo 95s in the Orlando colorway. You have these Ness Karachi type, $84.99, and it's full size run. So we're in the women's sizes now. You see this Vapor Max 2019, 114 plus 3% off. Not bad. You have this Joyride colorway. Retail price though minus 30%. Yep. You have the classic Forrest Gumps, $44.99 minus 30%. So size 10 for women, $30, you guys. $30 for the Forrest Gumps. So they have the Air Max 97s, Spruce Aura. Retail price minus 30% though. Great colorway. So you have this other Vapor Max 2019 in this different colorway. It's $129 compared to the one I showed earlier. This is another one. This one's smaller. Great price, below $100 for Vapor Max 29. And we have these Air Max 97s. 99 minus 30%, so $70. Great colorway. I'm just going to do a quick look at the hash wall for the kids. These SBs, Hirachis, you guys. And 97 premium, 95 premium, excuse me. Alright guys, we didn't buy anything today. I thought the Up-tempo 95s were gonna be on sale, but they're $89.99 without. The 30% only applies to the clearance, so I had to pass on those. Alright guys, until the next time, if you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until the next video, you guys.